So today I'm going to give you a walkthrough and tutorial of the project VentoyDocker. So Ventoy is a tool which is used to make bootable pen drives, and it supports many ISOs in a single pen drive. So this is gist of the tool Ventoy, and Ventoy is not officially supported for macOS. So VentoyDocker enables you to run Ventoy on macOS inside a Docker container. So let's walk through on how to use this tool. So first of all, we, according to documentation, just clone the project. I have already cloned it. And you got two files in here, two scripts, which is start nbd.sh and start ventoy.sh. So according to documentation, you need to make both of them executable with these commands. After that, we should check which disk we need to mount to the container to make it bootable. So with the command of disk util-list, we will see that all the disks available in our computer. For me, the disk is dev/disk4, which I want to mount to the container to make it bootable. So how can we do that? We should first have to start an nbd server for that. So we will use this following command. Let me copy it here. So the command is sudo, the script, and the flag -d. This d flag needs the USB drive mount path, which we need to mount to the container. So with the command disk util-list, you can see that the mount path or the drive path is /dev/disk4. So we'll pass it over here. Okay, we will enter our password, and then it will start the NBD server, which we will further connect our container. Now, just a second. Okay. Now, what are the next step? Next step is after starting the NBD server, we need to start the VentoyDocker container. To start it, we will use this command ./start ventoy.sh. This will start a container. The container has started. There are some instruction on what to do after the container started. So we need to connect the NBD from host to the container. We can use the following commands, but there is an easy way to do it, which is this script. We can copy this and run this script to mount our USB drive into the container. Yeah, we have successfully mounted. Now we can run Ventoy CLI and Ventoy GUI with that. So I don't want to go through Ventoy CLI. You can explore the documentation on how to use it, but I will walk through about with the Ventoy with the Ventoy web. So to run Ventoy web, you can type the following command with the host of 0. Okay, this will run the Ventoy web, and now I will go to my browser and go to here. Yeah, now I can run Ventoy web into my browser. I can now update my pen drive, my USB drive. Ventoy is already installed in it. Let me update it to check if it is working or not. So it is updating it. Hooray, it is working on a macOS. So we will stop the Ventoy server. And now, according to the instruction, we need to clean up everything before stopping the container. So there's two ways we can do that. Firstly, with this command, or simply we can use the scripts. So I will use the scripts. Now it's cleaned up the container and detach the NBD drive from the container. Now I will exit the container and stop the NBD server. So In this way, you can run Ventoy on the macOS and create beautiful drives with it. If you like the project, give it a star. And if you find any issues, please open it over here. And thanks a lot for watching. I hope that this tool helps you in the time where you need to run Ventoy on macOS. Again, thanks a lot.